Yeah, G Media Productions. Greedy, not needy. I'm in till I win. You with me? Feel it, feel it. Bank accounts getting fatter, no need to worry about bills. I'm living my best life, stacking up $100 bills, designer clothes and flashy cars. Everything in excess, got everything I want, nothing more to address. Money, 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 it's all I know. Living in luxury, nowhere to go. Champagne and caviar, living like a king. This is the life I lead, no need to sing. Money, 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 it's all I know. Living in luxury, nowhere to go. Private planes to exotic destinations, beaches and resorts, partying all night with beautiful girls and more. Yachts, mansions and diamonds, living so carefree. I'm the envy of my peers, living so lavishly. Money, 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 it's all I know. Living in luxury, nowhere to go. Champagne and caviar, living like a king. This is the life I lead, no need to sing. Money, 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 it's all I know. Living in luxury, nowhere to go. Champagne and caviar, living like a king. This is the life I lead, no need to sing. But sometimes I wonder, is this life really worth it? Fake friends and gold diggers all around to exploit it. Endless self-indulgence, no purpose or meaning. Maybe it's time to change for my own well-being. Money, 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 it's all I know. Living in luxury, nowhere to go. Champagne and caviar. Money, money, money. I've learned that money can't buy happiness. True joy comes from family, friends, and success. So I live a life true to myself and what I hold dear. And those who truly matter will always be near.